Most of you might be thinking that growing the exotic lettuce will be damn difficult, but trust me, it's so easy. Hello everyone, today I am taking you through the complete life cycle of lettuce, starting right from my LED seedling kit all the way to harvesting fresh leaves for our kitchen. Take your seedling tray. This is very convenient. You can buy something like this online or from the nursery. Today I am using these different varieties of lettuce. And what you can do, you can fill the seedling tray with soil, make holes in them, and then sow the seeds. Make sure you don't bury them too deep. You can put 2 to 3 seeds in each hole. Keep the soil lightly moist and you can provide gentle light to the seeds. In winters, we hardly get sunlight, so these LED lights are very helpful in growing the seeds. It provides light as well as humidity to the kit. And you will notice that within a week or so, the small baby leaves will come up. The 2 small baby leaves. Around 12 to 18 days, once the plant has about 3 to 4 true leaves, it's ready to move. I carefully transplant them into larger pots on my balcony. Lettuce doesn't need very deep containers, but it loves good drainage. Once moved outside, they slowly adjust to natural sunlight. If you're growing in winter like I do sometimes, lettuce actually loves cool weather. It grows even better in mild temperatures. Usually between 30 to 55 days, your lettuce is ready. There are 2 ways to harvest. First, cut and come again. You trim the outer leaves and the plant keeps producing new ones. I use homemade fertilizers like the eggshell powder or the liquid fertilizer made from eggshell and the banana and onion or garlic peel. I soak them in water and use them after a week or so. Consistent watering is required, but the soil shouldn't be soggy. 4 to 6 hours of sunlight is ideal. This is my second harvest. Again, I plucked the leaves from the sides and used them for my salad. Trust me, it is such a happy moment to eat these fresh salads. I would say rather organic salad from your garden. You can even use these lettuce in your sandwiches or burgers. And it reminds me that food doesn't have to travel miles to reach our plate.